Ramana Lokanathan, Chief Technology Officer. I lead all aspects of engineering at Coupa.
We've heard a lot over Inspire about, just the sheer amount of data and global spend data that Coupa has. How do you ensure a platform with that much, stays fast and reliable as the network just continues to grow?
We deal with about 7,000 requests per second in terms of our APIs. We handle about 1.5 million approvals a day and about 3 terabytes of data per day in terms of our data analytics and so on. So, with such humongous amount of data and approvals that we handle, we have to ensure that what we do scales. The great thing that happened with Coupa 20 years before, our founders had this thinking, we need to enable everything in cloud. And it started with that cloud and multi-tenant, regions and multi-data center. And because of that, we are able to horizontally scale my application layer, the data layer, and now the agentic layer.
How is Coupa actually kind of building AI into the core of its platform so it actually helps people work faster and achieve better results?
A lot of companies, they bring AI on the top and then, they bolt AI into it and then they call themselves, AI company. In our case, we thought completely differently and we went through a few iterations, but the core of that was we want to build AI from within the platform. There is a difference between an AI powered company and an AI first company. Our vision is to be the AI first company.
For a global enterprise just thinking of introducing AI to their workflows, trust would be everything for them. So how does your team of engineers, how do they create, a platform with, security and resilience so kind of customers feel safe when they make that transition to an autonomous operation?
For us, the 3 key tenets of trust are control, security, and transparency. So with control, what we mean is the admin has absolute control of what data and what access control that they can give for each and every agent or an API that they wanted to give access to within their own company or outside to the partners and so on. And then security. So everything is protected by what we call RBAC, role-based access control. The data is secured at rest and at transit. So at no given point, anyone has access to the data other than our customers alone. And finally, transparency. Every AI decision, every decision is logged in general. So that is a very clear auditability and traceability. And because of that, our customers know exactly why certain actions are taken, what resulted in that particular goal, and they can go back and audit every step of the way.